Got a signed contract? Great! But now the real work begins. Enter Swiftcbs virtual assistants. Imagine the back-end chaos taken off your plate, giving you more time to sell and close more deals. Swiftcbs takes over right after your client signs. We handle the entire contract-to-close process, reviewing contracts, confirming contingencies, and creating custom timelines. Missed deadlines? No more. We cover it all, scheduling inspections, appraisals, communicating with lenders, ensuring all contingency removals, and coordinating final walkthroughs. Stay focused on your clients while we manage the admin chaos. Get regular updates, weekly status reports, and a final checklist before closing. Smooth, efficient closings mean more time for showings, more energy for lead generation, and more deals closed. Ready to streamline your closings and scale your business? Call now to schedule a free consultation, 469-846-9459.